Hey everybody, what's up? It's TJ. You guys, it's raining today. It is gross, so I had to keep my stuff in here to put it in pots. So what we're doing is we're putting my peach trees in pots today. And I'm going to try something I haven't tried before. It has little branches sticking out at the bottom of it. They need to come off. So what I did, because I don't want to waste anything, I went to Home Depot and picked up some rooting powder. We're going to see how that turns out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this off and plant it in here with the rooting powder. You'll see how I'm going to do that. I have a little cup of water here. I'm going to set that to the side and try not to dump it over. This is the pot we're transplanting into, and of course I will keep this pot to use for like tomato plants, you know, whatever, because that's a pretty good sized pot. Alright, so first, let me see, can y'all see that? Not very well, huh? There's like 3 of them coming out. I'm going to cut one off. Okay. Now, I'm thinking I'm just going to cut this at a slant like that, like kind of like what you would do with a rose. And then I'm going to take some of these leaves off, probably to about here. I don't know how fragile it is, y'all. That'll come off pretty easy. Alright, so there we go. So what I'm going to do, well, let me get my soil first. And y'all, this is heavy. Whew! I got my shirt soaking wet. Okay. Let me get this out of the way. And I just grabbed one of the little pots that my azaleas came in. That's what I'm going to use. I'm going to get some soil into here. Set it right here for a second. Alright. I watch this have a seal on it and I'll have to take it off. Nope. Oh my gosh, y'all, there's only about that much powder in there. That's it. That's all you get. So, sit that there. I'm going to dip this in water, get it good and wet. Then I'm going to dip it in here, get it good and coated. See that? And I'm just going to stick it down in my soil. And then I'm going to fill it up a little more with soil. The pot. You guys, I have no idea if this will work or not. I'm trying this for the first time. I know you can do this with many other things, so why not be able to do it with this? And pat it down. And y'all, I'm very, very sorry about the lighting. There's really nothing I can do about that. It is what it is. Okay, so now I have another peach tree, I hope. And on the other tree, I think I have like 3 of them coming out. 3 good sized ones like this. But, let me set this to the side. Because these are really short, I'm just going to cut those off and not worry about it. So let me get this stuff out of my way before I dump them over. And I am going to get soil into this for my tree, which is terrifying to me. I don't even know if I can get that out of there without help. My sons will move it for me. I know that'll happen. Woo, lightning. Let's see if I can, there we go, a little bit better. I just want to kind of coat the bottom, maybe with about this much of soil. And this bag is just too heavy for me to flip it over. That's good enough. Yeah. That is still pretty darn heavy. Okay. As for this, you see how short these are? I might could leave those on there and let them grow a little bit more and try to take them off, but there's like 3 of them on the other one, so I'm not really going to worry about that. That one came off anyway. I'm just going to snip them off. You do not want limbs down here, okay? Because you'll end up with limbs really close to the ground, and it's not good for any kind of fruit tree, okay? I'm going to see if I can loosen this up. Oh my goodness. Look at there. So set it down in there. And yes, I am making a mess. My husband's going to kill me for this one. I'm just going to take this stuff and dump it in there. Alright. And I'm just going to fill it up with dirt. I'm going to raise that up just a little bit more. And then it'll be done. Let me try to do this, y'all. Woo! There we go. All right. Now I'm just going to fill it in. Which is not the easiest thing in the world to do. Pat it down. Cut some of that off. that. And now I have tree number 1 finished. And it's that easy, y'all. Now, if you're putting these directly into the ground, so I can get this up. Ugh. Guys, if you're putting those directly into the ground, when you dig a hole, it needs to be twice the size of your pot that it came out of. So it needs to be twice the size of this. That's a big hole. It needs to be about that wide. Okay? That's big. It's a very big hole. And the reason why they tell you that is so that that soil around where you're planting that at is loose and aerated and ready for those roots to just go all in there. So that's why you do it like that. So do not skip that. They tell you to dig a hole twice the size because of rooting and stuff like that. But yeah, I have my very first one done. Now I'm going to go set this out there. Let me pause this and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I have it set out. I went ahead and I marked my little clipping here with a plastic spoon, says peach on it. And I marked the one I put in my big pot because I got dirt all over my shirt now. Because I don't know what's going to happen between now and the time I actually move these again or whatever. And if it don't have fruit on it, I'm not going to know what the heck it is. It's as simple as that. But I'll show you guys. And it's raining. Hold on. Try to get a good angle. So that's where it's going. My other one's going to go over here. Let me go ahead and get my pot. So I'm going to go ahead and get it done. Get my other ones in little pots, you know, and stuff like that. And hopefully I'll have some little more baby peach trees. We'll see. Get that put up here. Aren't these cute? I was at Lowe's a little bit ago picking up this, not Lowe's, but Home Depot. I was picking up the rooting powder. And they had these, but the really big giant ones. Gosh, I would love to have some of those. But anywho, yeah. So I'm going to do this other tree. Y'all see? There's one here. One here. Yeah, so I'll just do 2. 2 is good enough. So if I end up with 5 trees, hey, you know, I don't know. We'll find out. I will talk to you guys later. Y'all have an awesome day. Don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me out when you guys do that. It's the algorithm thing. I don't know why it works like that, but it does. The more likes it gets, the more it's put into the algorithm for other people that don't know of my channel to see. But anywho, have a good day. Bye-bye.